Hi, my name is Bill, and in this video we're going to show you how to install FIDOscan, register for the 15-day trial, and ultimately make your purchase. Begin by browsing to the folder where you've downloaded FIDOscan. Double-click. The publisher could not be verified. I can assure you that is in fact us. Go ahead and click the Run button. The little beep you heard is Windows Vista user account control. Basically, we want to click on the Allow button to let Windows Vista run the program. We then get the FIDOscan setup wizard. We're going to click Next. This window tells you it's going to be installed in the FIDOscan folder. We'll click Next again. And then this one is telling you that it's going to create a program shortcut in the Start menu for FIDOscan. Click Next. And here we see the checkbox is checked for creating a desktop icon. There's also a checkbox you can use to create a quick launch icon. We're going to leave it at the default and click the Next. This window shows you the folders that things will be installed into. We're going to click the Install button. And let's go ahead and get rid of Internet Explorer. And here we have the FIDOscan setup wizard. The installation is complete. We're going to tell it that we want to launch FIDOscan by leaving the checkbox checked. A little splash screen, and then we get our encryption key window. Let me read this to you. FIDOscan requires that you enter an encryption key. It will be used to encrypt your scanned documents so that no one else can view them unless they are using FIDOscan with your encryption key. You will not be asked this question again. Enter a short phrase that you will remember. The maximum length is 25, and that includes spaces. For example, elephants hate mice. That's 19 characters, including the spaces. For added security, we suggest that you use at least 2 unrelated words separated by a number and includes a symbol. For example, duck, the number 53, the word pencil, and then the %sign. Now, you don't have to use that one, but you can make up your own. But if it's just for home use and you don't care, if people are using your computer or so on, you don't think anybody's going to guess your password, you could use something like your kid's name, your grandkids' names, your mom's name, whatever you want to use. Just keep in mind that should someone get access to your computer, run FIDOscan, they'll be able to view any documents that you've scanned into your system. So if this is being used for a business, you probably want to use an encryption key that has a little bit of strength to it. Okay, so let's begin. We're going to type in our encryption key. We're going to make it real simple. ABC to verify. Click our OK button. And now FIDOscan is going to look for our scanner. You do need to have your scanner plugged in when you start. We're going to select the one we have connected, which is the CanoScan Lite 100. This is a really cheap, affordable scanner, I should say. It's a flatbed, runs for about $59 on Canon's website, works real well with FIDOscan. So we selected that. We're going to click OK. See if FIDOscan can find it. It has indeed, and it says it was successfully selected. So let's click OK, and up pops our registration form. Now here you'll notice that there is a field for your name and a field for email with asterisks. These fields are required. So we're going to type in our name and a company name is not required, but we're going to enter it anyway. And then an email address, and we'll use our support email. FIDOscan.com. Now you probably noticed there are different steps here on the registration form. Step 1, it says enter information in the above fields. Step 2 did not become enabled until we begin to type our email address in. So the required fields have to be filled in order for step 2 to become active. So what it says click the button to begin your 15-day trial. And guess what? Here is the button. So we click the button and it says your 15-day trial has begun. Enjoy, which we will. Up pops the main screen for FIDOscan. Now let's say you've got the 15-day trial up here at the top. You can see on the title bar also a menu item which says purchase. So as you've used FIDOscan, you said, oh my goodness, what a wonderful program this is. I can't live without it. So you want to purchase. So we're going to click on the purchase menu item. Now a little dialog pops up that tells you how to purchase. This is just for some information to get you ready for the registration form that's going to come up next. And I'll read this to you. How to purchase. The registration form will appear next. After it appears, complete steps 3 and 4 to make your purchase. Your internet browser will open and display our web software store on the PayPal website. Make your purchase. Once you have received your receipt from PayPal, click the Activate Registration button. Okay, let's see how that works. So we click the OK button. Up pops our registration form again, and you'll notice that our name, company name, and email address are there. But now steps 3 and 4 are highlighted. So what we're going to do, there's 2 buttons here, FIDOscan and FIDOscan Pro. And we want all the features that FIDOscan offers, so we are going to purchase the Pro version. We click the OK button. And up pops our PayPal store. And as you can see, our order for FIDOscan is there, $97.97. Now, if you have a PayPal account, you can go ahead and enter your email address and your PayPal password, and you can go ahead and purchase that way. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can purchase with a credit card just like any other person at any other website. You don't have to have a PayPal account. So we're going to assume we don't have a PayPal account. We're going to click on the link here that says don't have a PayPal account. That shows our different fields. Let's minimize this a little bit. Just enter your information into the fields as you would on any other website making a credit card purchase. Once you're done, click the Review and Continue button. Okay, now we're back at the FIDOscan registration form. Now once you've, if you look here at step 4, you'll see once you have received your receipt from PayPal, click the Activate Registration button to permanently register FIDOscan. So once you get notified, it shouldn't take more than I would say a minute or 2. You should get your receipt. That will let you know that the activation has taken place. So just click the Activate Registration button and you'll get a little dialog that pops up that says, congratulations, FIDOscan has been permanently registered to you. Thank you for your purchase. Click the OK button. The window goes away and you'll notice the purchase option on the menu is gone as well. That's it for the installation video. Thank you very much for watching, and should you have any questions or comments or issues that you may have run into, please email us at support@fidoscan.com.